Today we'll be unboxing one of the world's most energy efficient Bitcoin miners. It's the Bitaxe Gammer 601. It was sent to me from Bitcoin Merch to demonstrate and show you how it works and how to set them up. So thanks for Bitcoin Merch for setting this out. If you're interested in the product or any other Bitcoin mining products, check the links out below where you can have a look and see if they're right for you. Now you're probably wondering, how can this be one of the world's most efficient Bitcoin miners when there's a Nerd Miner 2 that only uses 1 watt of power? Well, what I'll do is explain this at the end to you, and this will give you an idea of how it can be so energy efficient and what makes it energy efficient. So first we have a fan. It's pretty cool. Let's see what else is in here. So there's a power supply. Now this power supply is designed with the pins for the US, however the voltages are a multi-region voltage, so all you need is an adapter which will go on top of this and then allow you to plug it into your power point with no extra power changes that you need to do. A little Bitcoin card from Bitcoin Merch, and a Bitcoin, just a physical coin. This is pretty cool. I saw this in the last package I got. It's a Venezuelan money note. It basically is just them saying that because of how many bills are being printed in Venezuela, this $100 note or 100 Bolivar note for Venezuela is probably only worth like $1. So not much value in fiat currency anymore. Package label slip just says what's in it. This is the Bitaxe Gammer 601 in here, and that's all that's in that collection. So let's open up the Bitaxe Gammer. Now a lot of people have said that they've received the screens detached, so we'll just see if this one's on there or if we have to attach it ourselves. But I think they're getting damaged a lot, so maybe they've put it on and packaged it a bit better. Let's see. So this one has the screen already attached, and that's the Bitaxe Gammer 601. Now, I explained before that it's more energy efficient to use this miner. It's one of the most energy efficient in the world than one of the Nerd Miner 2s. So I've got Nerd Miner 2s here. So the Nerd Miner 2s only use 1 watt of power, and they run at 70 kilohashes. So if you convert that to watts per terahash, it actually uses 14,285 watts of power. So very inefficient to use, still very low on the power consumption. One of the world's lowest powered miners, more or less for lotteries rather than mining individually. The next best miner that you could say is one of the world's fastest but still quite low in energy is the Antminer S19 XP Hydro. Now this miner is one of the world's fastest Bitcoin miners. It runs at 255 terahashes and uses 5,300 watts. Now you think 5,300 watts, that's quite large when it comes to power consumption, but surprisingly that only is equivalent to 20.8 watts per terahash. So a whole lot less than the Bitcoin Nerd Miner 2s, but obviously they're for different reasons. Nerd Miner 2s, you're only running a lottery, whereas these you're probably going to try more solo mining. Now the Bitaxe here, 601, is said to consume only 15 watts of power. I'll be doing a test. I'll leave a link up here once that test is ready, and you can have a look and see if it does indeed use 15 watts of power. Now if we convert that down to watts per terahash, it only actually uses 12.5 watts per hash. So even more efficient than one of the top rated ant miners and one of the fastest ant miners. But obviously you need quite a few of these running with many different power boards and many different cords. So probably not ideal space-wise, but for a beginner miner, pretty cool to get started with. So I'll do a few videos on these ones, as I said, to test the amount of watts it uses and also how to set them up. And otherwise, stay tuned for those videos, and thanks for watching.